Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unpin and unpin comments on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen, and just go ahead and click on the post. So here you want to click on the comment icon, and here you can see the comment, right? So you just want to click or to swipe your finger from right to left, and you can see the pin icon. So just go ahead and click that and click on pin comment, and that is how you pin a comment on Instagram. So now if you want to unpin that, just go ahead and again swipe your finger from right to left and click again on the pin icon and click on unpin. So that is how you unpin a comment on Instagram. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.